You're seeing AI everywhere, but your bank account still looks the same. Everyone says start an AI side hustle, but nobody tells you which ones are actually realistic. If you're not a programmer and you don't want to work 12 hours a day, the truth is, not all AI side hustles are equal. Some look amazing on TikTok but pay almost nothing in real life. Others are boring, nobody talks about them, but they quietly make people thousands every single month. So in this video, I'm ranking the 5 easiest AI agent side hustles for 2026. From nice idea but mid, all the way up to this is what I'd start if I had to go from zero to $1,000 again. I'll show you what each hustle actually does, how the AI agent works behind the scenes, and what I would personally avoid. Stick with me until the end, because I'll tell you exactly which one I would start today if I had to begin from scratch. Really quick, if you're new to AI agents, an AI agent is basically ChatGPT with a mission and tools. You give it a goal, and like research YouTube topics and write scripts, and it knows which tools to use, which websites to read, and how to loop through so worried to so tasks until someone else says the job is done. Instead of you doing everything manually, the agent connects your AI model to other apps, data, and automation, so the boring work happens in the background. When I say easiest, I'm ranking these on the 3 things. On the 3 things. Difficulty. Can a normal person learn this in a few weeks without coding? Startup cost. Can you start almost free using cheap or free tools? And earning potential. Can this realistically hit at least $500 to $1,000 a month if you stick with it? With that in mind, let's start with number 5. Number 5 is a YouTube research agent. Here you use an AI agent to scan YouTube, find topics with high demand and low competition, pull titles and thumbnails from winning videos, and even draft script outlines. You sell this as a research package to faceless channels, education channels, or even use it for your own content. Difficulty is low because the agent does most of the heavy lifting. Your job is to build a good workflow, write clear prompts, and decide which ideas are actually good for humans, not just the algorithm.
Startup cost is almost nothing. You need and need to enhance an AI agent platform, maybe a basic YouTube analytics tool, and that's it. I put it at number 5 because the clients still have to execute. If they're lazy or inconsistent, they might not see results, and they might not keep paying you, even if your research is solid. Number 4 is the AI outreach agent. This is where you build an agent that finds leads and sends personalized cold emails or DMs for businesses. Think local agencies, coaches, service businesses, SaaS tools, anyone who needs more bookings, more demos, or more calls on the calendar. The agent can pull basic info about a lead, write a tailored opening line, and plug into Gmail, a CRM, or a DM tool, so messages go out every day. Difficulty is medium. You have to understand what a good outreach message looks like and how not to be a spam bot. Startup cost is still low. Mostly AI tools and maybe a cheap lead source. The earning potential jumps a lot. Because if you help a business get clients, they are happy to pay $500 to $2,000 a month. 1 or 2 wins for them can pay your fee many times over. Number 3 is the business automation agent. This is where you combine AI agents with tools like Zapier or make and start automating real business workflows. For example, a form is filled, the agent cleans the data, writes a follow-up email, updates a spreadsheet, posts a task in Notion, and sends a summary to the team. All automatically. Difficulty is medium. You need to understand both what the business actually does and how to connect the pieces with automation tools. Startup cost is still low. Many tools have free or cheap plans, and you can prototype with test accounts. The upside is big. Once you build one automation that saves a company a few hours per week, you can charge a setup fee plus a monthly retainer to maintain and improve it. You're not selling AI hype, you're selling time back to the business owner. Number 2 is the digital product agent. If you like the idea of Etsy, Gumroad, or selling digital products, an AI agent can help you manage the boring, repetitive parts.
I can generate product ideas, write descriptions, create tags, update listings, answer common customer questions, and even translate your shop into new languages so you can reach more markets. Difficulty is low to medium. You do have to understand what actually sells on these platforms, what designs, what niches, what price points. But once you've figured that out, the agent can handle dozens of variations and updates for you. Startup cost is tiny. Listing fees, your AI tools, and maybe a few dollars for mockups. The earning potential is solid. And compounding, one listing I might only make a few dollars a day, but 50 or 100 listings maintained by an agent can quietly become a meaningful income stream over time. Number one, the easiest and most powerful, in my opinion, is the AI Agent Content Agency. Here, you use agents to produce content packages for clients. YouTube videos, shorts, scripts, blog posts, emails, carousels. But instead of writing every word yourself, you design workflows where agents do 70 to 80% of the work. Your job is not to be the full-time writer. Your job is to understand a niche, design a content system, and use agents to research, draft, and repurpose content, while you or a human editor polish the final 20%. Think of it like this. The agent generates raw material at scale, and you turn that raw material into a clear on-brand message your client is happy to post. Difficulty is medium, but if you're already comfortable with content, it feels very natural. Startup cost is low, mainly AI tools and maybe a small budget for a thumbnail designer or video editor. Earning potential is the highest on this list because businesses already pay $1,000 to $3,000 per month for content done for you. With agents, you can deliver more, faster, without burning out. So where should you start? If you're a complete beginner, I look at the YouTube research agent or the digital product agent. They're forgiving. You can practice on your own projects first, and you'll learn a lot about what actually works online without the pressure of big retainers. If you already have skills, maybe you've done sales, marketing, or editing, then the AI outreach agent, the business automation agent, or the content agency are going to feel much more natural. These let you plug AI into things you already understand and charge more from day one. If I had to start from zero again in 2026, I would personally start with the AI Agent Content Agency, and I would pair it with a simple YouTube research agent. One agent finds topics, has keywords, and scripts. The other agent helps turn those ideas into content packages I can sell to one client or to 10 clients without multiplying my workload by 10. Let's recap the rankings really fast. Number 5, YouTube. Research agent, great for ideas and beginners, but clients still have to execute. Number 4, AI outreach agent, perfect if you like sales and you want to be close to revenue.
Number 3, a business automation agent. You save businesses hours and they will pay well for that. Number 2, digital product agent, slow but compounding income from many listings. Number 1, AI agent content agency. In my opinion, the best balance between difficulty and earning potential. If you want me to break down the exact tools and workflows I'd use for each of these, including how I'd price them, how I'd find the first clients, and how I set up the agents, tell me in the comments and I'll make a full step-by-step video. And if you haven't yet, watch my video on 5 AI tools to make money in 2026. Next, I show you the exact tools you can plug into these agent side hustles. Hit subscribe if you want